Glacier first. Today, me and my little brother Chris will be taking turns in this. So if I die, you'll see him in the face cam. If he dies, you'll see me. So you guys better enjoy this. Just let this video let this. That was good.
You have 3
You gotta say
keys.
stuff.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Look into this hole right there. Look in that for you. That's the thing. He does not use the face cam.
Wait, why my head is an oval? Why my head is an oval?
Just one.
Okay,
Look at the
teaching him how to use
face cam.
Okay, I'm gonna get butter, Molly. I didn't die. Where's Whitney? I got hit by a tree. Oh no!
Yeah, but bro, you still got fun money.
They could be getting pizza.
You don't gotta tell me. I'm about to do try not to laugh after this. So once I die, that's gonna be the end of this video. Because I'm doing try not to laugh and my phone is not that high. Very low. Wow.
Okay.